Service charge? That thing in your restaurant bill? We are going to talk about that. Do you know if it's legal to have a mandatory service charge? And what are the rules for restaurants to apply service charges? A popular restaurant in Mumbai, Cream Center, has been fined for Rs 25,000 by a consumer court for levying a mandatory service charge on its bills. So what exactly happened? Well, a customer filed a complaint after he was given a bill with a compulsory 5% service charge added to it. The complaint argued that the customer should have the choice to assess the quality of the service and decide whether a tip is warranted. Now let's talk about service charges. What are they? A service charge is an additional fees added to your restaurant bill, typically to cover the cost of services provided such as wait staff, ambience and other amenities. It's important to note that a service charge should ideally be optional, giving customers the freedom to decide whether and how much to tip based on their experience. In this case, the restaurant was adding the service charge automatically, which is against the law. In fact, the Indian government has issued guidelines in 2017 stating that this practice is unfair to the consumers. The Indian government's decision to discourage mandatory service charge in April 2017 was driven by a commitment to empower consumers and ensure transparency in billing. By making service charges optional, consumers were given the freedom to assess the quality of services and decide on an appropriate tip. This move also aimed to address concerns about the fair distribution of tips among staff and promote clear, standardized billing practice in the hospitality sector. Ultimately, the government sought to educate consumers about their rights and encourage ethical business practices in restaurants and similar establishments. Consumer rights are important when we dine out. The recent ruling against the Cream Center for adding a mandatory service charge reminds us to advocate for a fair treatment. Additionally, the complaint was awarded a refund and compensation, emphasizing the importance of holding business accountable for unfair practices. Transparent billing builds trust and supports fair competition. As consumers, we can make a difference by questioning charges and sharing our experiences. Let's keep talking about these issues to promote honesty and fairness in businesses. So, here's a question for you viewers. Do you think that we should be paying service charges? Should tipping be optional or mandatory? We would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Feel free to share your opinions in the comment sections below. Until then, I, Anisha, signing off.